Hello, today we're going to be solving equations with fractions. It's just easy as 1, 2, 3. Solve the equations by doing the opposite operation like normal, follow all fraction rules, and follow all integer style rules. So let's start with some addition and subtraction equations. Let's say I have 3/4 plus n equals 2/9. Well, how would you get rid of a positive anything? Well, you do subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 3/4 from both sides. The difference here is I have to follow those fraction rules, which say I need to find a common denominator. So let's go ahead and do that. I now need to take 2/9 minus 3/4. So find a common denominator of 36. Subtract, I'm going to get a negative answer, because 8 minus 27 is negative 19 over 36. Notice the negative goes on top. It could also go out front, but can never go with the bottom. Let's try again. M minus 7/10 equals 1/5. Well, I'd have to add 7/10 to both sides. Then find a common denominator of 10. So I change 1/5 to 2/10. Add together, I get m equals 9/10. Next, let's look at multiplication and division. Here are two problems. N divided by 1/4 equals negative 2/3. Now this is interesting. The easiest way to do this is to multiply by 1/4. It looks funny at first, but doesn't that cancel the left side out? Because multiplication gets rid of division. So then you do it to the right side. Look to cross cancel. So now I multiply straight across. I get negative 1 over 6. Next problem, negative 11 over 12n equals negative 1 over 6. On this one, we have to do it a little bit differently. If we multiply by the reciprocal, that would be the easiest way. Notice this one's negative, just like the original. We just flip it over, and then the 12s cancel and the 11s cancel on this side, and so do the negatives. And you're left with just n. On the opposite side, the two negatives cancel. 6 and 12 both cancel, and you're left with 2 over 11. This will take some practice, but if you try, I think you can get it. Remember to go back and relook at some problems, and as always, thanks for using Seyer Mathematics.